Look what just got here.
I'm so excited.
I just received my Good Chops box, so we are going to do a little unboxing and see what we think of all the meat. I just got home trying the Southwest Cape Run Club, so sorry that I look like this. Okay, so we're gonna open our Good Chop box. I'm gonna switch angles real quick. I'm gonna get right into this. This is the dry ice box, so I'm hoping all the produce is still good. Oh no. Oh, they're still frozen. Okay, I'm gonna put everything right in the freezer. We're gonna take a look at what we got though real quick. Okay, so we got, oh no, it needs to be eaten right away. A New York strip steak, Florida pink shrimp, Atlantic salmon, top sirloin steak, ooh, ranch steaks. Look at all this meat. Hold on. Oh. And we got ground beef. All right. That was everything. I'm gonna show you the spread. This is everything I got, and I only paid $100. Now, since everything came a day late, unfortunately, some of this stuff is a little thaw. You can see right here, it's a little soft. So some of it, I'm unfortunately gonna have to eat right away. So we'll see what I cook up. I'll show you the quality of this meat real quick. Honestly, when I took it out of the package, it was so red and juicy. I am so excited. I think this is gonna be very tender. This is the top sirloin that we're cooking now. Now to finally try Good Chops. Okay, so I have my nice red juicy piece there. I definitely like my meat a little bit red, but not too bloody.
Oh God, it's so good. So good.
That's good. Nothing beats good red meat, I swear. I would definitely recommend Good Chops to anyone who's looking for a low maintenance, fairly low cost, convenient meat shipping program. My overall review of Good Chops is I will most likely definitely order it again, and I'm hoping for a better delivery experience in the future. I will say that although my box wasn't delivered on time, Good Chops did have customer service that basically helped me out making sure that I got my package. So, great experience overall.